Hello everyone, Seven here from creativetrainingsystems.com. I'm making this video about oil. All right, so let's get started. This is the oil monthly chart I made long time ago, and it is just a general chart to see what is happening on a bigger time frame, a bigger scale. So this up, down, up, down. This is sideways going on between these highs and these lows, right? So right now, this is where it is. This is the high 76, 79. It is going over there. This is 74, 94, and then 77 is just above this number. So we are below this. We are going up. So let's take a look at the smaller time frame to see exactly what is cooking. Weekly chart showing that this is where we are, and that 76, 79 is this. And then there are a couple of other numbers. So we are above these two numbers. We are going for this 76, 79. We have 76, 38 is right there. Right, so these two numbers are on my 40-minute chart showing. I'll just show you. Right now, currently, we are at 76.06. The current price you can see here, 75.47. So we are below this number right now, right? But we are going for this. And why? Let me show it to you. But before that, I'm gonna take you the smaller time frame, but from the December 1st, step by step. Okay. So let's see that, when we were here, December 1st, we were here. And this is the drop that happens here. Wave 1, 2, and we're supposed to come down here for wave 3, followed by then wave 4, black count. And then wave 3 has this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we've supposed to come for wave 5. That will finish wave 3. So what happened to this chart is this. It came down not only as to 70.42, but all the way to 67.83, and then start to bounce. So I said, okay, maybe this is where 1.618, the wave 3 is finished. And then I made this chart showing that it is going to go to the upside. Now, the oil 40-minute chart has like what at 1,000 brick size, and then I use later on 1,500 brick size to make the chart little it's smaller to see more chart on the screen, right? So this one now, next chart you see that we start to go over there and then into this area. Then I said this is probably wave 1 or A. If it is A or 1, then we're supposed to get B or wave 2 or B, and then followed by C, wave 3 or C, whatever, right? So what happened to this chart is, okay, this is what I was looking at, that if it is A, then it's supposed to come down for a B and then C. If it is Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, right? So look what happened. If this was A, I said, okay, according to this chart, supposed to be coming down for wave B and then go for wave C. So look what happened. It came down here nice and clean. I had my sell here, right? That trade, and I closed it because I knew that somewhere there is going to go up again for wave C if it is going for wave C, or even if this is wave 1, 2, then wave 3 would be to the upside, right? Look what happened to this chart is this. This is currently, as of today, we hit B and then it's wobbled. And that's why I always say that the wave 4 is the nastiest and the most complex and difficult trade to trade. I mean, wave to trade in the whole wave count, right? So one should avoid. If you are a master, you know exactly what you're doing, then fine. I take all trades all the time. In fact, I took this week going from here to the upside. Let me show you if I have this trade. Yes, this is on the 22nd using my system, right? And this is my robot opening the trade. You see this small yellow, not yellow, I mean, it's like red or green, something. I'm colorblind, by the way. So whatever, there's a little arrow showing that the EA opened the trade right here, according to the setup, buy orders right there, and then boom, it went up, right? And yesterday on the 24th, again, another one all the way here, right? This one also, I took the entry, but what happened? It went up, and then my SL comes still on break even, and it takes me out, right? So this is how it is. So this one was, and then I have another one right now going on along in the US oil. So now, what I'm looking at is this. If we are going for this right now, if we are here somewhere, right? We are about to finish wave 4. you can see here, wave 4 should be somewhere here, 76.38, 76.79. These are the numbers. Maybe go up even more. I don't know, but this somewhere there, it should end. A, B, C correction and around 38%, and then it should go for wave 5. Why? If look at this Elliott wave count chart, this is how usually an Elliott wave unfolds. 1, 2, wave 1.618 for wave 3, 38% for wave 4, and then 61%. Wave 5 should be 61% of wave 3 length, right? So we measure that with the expansion tool, right? So currently, this is what's happening on the 40-minute chart. This is the chart I just recorded, right? So this is 38%. Then you look for the fib expansion from here to here, and then find your target for wave 5 to the downside here somewhere. So once we finish and we start dropping, then I'll be, taking shorts if that happen. If it continue going to the upside, then obviously not. But if I see it is going down, right, after stopping here, then we'll say, okay, now we may be going for wave 5 and my count is correct. And then I'll be all over for the to the short side on this, oil, right? So until then, I'm gonna just sit down and sit tight and then watch. Like I said, and I have another long entry sitting at break even and watching it. And even if I lose it, I'm sitting on a break even, so no big deal. And but like I said, somewhere here is gonna make the turn probably for if it is going, to be a wave C, and wave 4 will be finished, wave 5 to the downside. All right. So this is it for now. Just wanted to share with you guys. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system or get the chart on time when it's making a turn, then you can go on my website here, subscribe, whatever. I have here different things. Just surf the website, and you will know exactly how to subscribe and all that, right? I also have this Telegram channel where I post charts, videos, and upcoming setups and all of that. So this is like, for example, just posted a CJ making a short setup on 20-minute chart, and it is making a short setup. So if it is going to work out or not, this is not the right time to trade for me. Our time is start after London Open, so we'll see. If it's still this setup is still there in London Open, which is maybe 20 minutes away from now. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get these videos as soon as I upload them so that you can take advantage of these setups, right? The oil about to finish the wave 4 to the upside, and then wave 5 to the downside will start. Probably we're going to go down to 63, 62, 61, something like that. All right. So I'll make that new chart, maybe next week. Maybe it doesn't matter, whenever, right? So maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, for Thursday, Friday, we will get to the target for wave 4 and then makes the turn. Then I'll make a new chart and then send out to my subscribers. All right. So if you want to get that chart and take advantage of the setups and all of that, then go on my website and do something. All right. All right. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading week. And bye for now, and talk to you guys later.